how to make your stomach look flat in a bodycon dress is the best shapewear. Your stomach have a fufa, a belly fat, a tummy. If you are in a bodycon dresses, no bad looks. So how to control and how to shape and how to look slimming and this shapewears and bodycons. That is a wiki how also best suggestions in the dresses. In this post, I show you nine ideas. If you in this post many product are you inserted and shopping link is this file. First of all, you can take the shapewear undergarment, and second thigh waist, second swimwear also it can take one piece, and third is alternative shapewear of miracle. Bodycon shapewears can you provide the best slimming shapes of your stomach area, and third is mid-section shapewear perfect tools for stomach flats, and alternative tools mid sections of the this is also very comfortable, and your stomach flat in a vertical shapes and flat looks. If you are not wear a shapewear you want to, and then the Bali women's shapewear is bra with bra is super areas. And third is if you have a small tummy, yeah, big plus size of the body, then high waisted panty is also very comfortable for like a sport bra and a back fat smoothing bra. And if you are not agree for the short bra panty, then you can take the full shorts and full this techniques, and you choose. And third is if you are pregnant women's and large fupa, then you this one loves for estimates some Q&A in this post, and also you have read and shapewears, and also base tummy control, fupa control, and are very guide in for loose belly fat in these topics. So the websites go and learn and search. Thank you.